the left hand, I'm playing all the chords broken. So for C major, it would be, and I'll end with the G, the farthest left note. C, G, A. Okay, so both hands is. So there's a little bit of syncopation in the original video. So by playing left hand broken, this mimics the video. That's in the Wind. There's 4 chords. C major is actually the one that's the weirdest. That's the one that I say hold the hand as if you're holding a stinky socks. So it's this hand shape, right? So G, C, E. I'll put it down here. Okay, the next 2 are easier, is G major and A minor. This is the one you only have skips. Okay, so every letter is a skip. Same thing here, A, C, E, those are skips. So you hold your hand like a baseball, G major, A minor. And the easier ones, I just put like a square to remind myself my hand has to be balanced. Okay, the next 2 is a little unusual. This is the one that we are waving hello. So open your hand like this. And you know, for demonstration's sake, I'm just gonna do like that. Put it in this shape because it opens the hand. So imagine it's stretched towards the left. Okay, so D minor. And then D major, you just push forward, have F sharp on there. Okay, so the whole thing we have C major, G major, A minor,